Hey guys, welcome back to Church Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to learn about this picture icon from your desktop on Windows 10 or 11. So I'll show you two different methods. The first method will be for the people who have got the activated Windows. First of all, you need to click the right mouse button on your desktop and you need to go to the Show More Options and go to the Personalized Settings. Right here, you need to choose Background. And you need to scroll this down and choose the picture. And as you can see, the icon is removed from my desktop. Now I will bring my icon back on my desktop to show you the second method for the people whose Windows is not activated. So I will bring this icon back and I'll show you the second method. So you need to open the Start menu and you need to go to the registry editor. The first thing you need to do is activate the address bar. If you don't see this address bar right here, you need to click View and you need to tick right here and activate the address bar, guys. So once the address bar is activated, you need to write the shortcut. By the way, all of the necessary commands will be in the description, so you can just copy and paste it. So let's paste the address right here, click enter. And now we need to create new file here. Click on your right mouse button and choose this one, 32-bit value. And you need to name it with this command. It also will be in the description. And click enter. Then you need to double click on it and you need to change the value from 0 to 1 and click OK. Then you can close this. You can see the icon right here. When you refresh your desktop, the icon will be deleted from your desktop. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.